we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting names from the Naruto Manga series. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a made-up word, meaning a swift, strong wind. In Japanese, this is said as Shippuden, Shippuden. It'd be fine in English though to say it as Shippuden, Shippuden in English, or Shippuden in Japanese, or approximately so, Shippuden. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, including from the Naruto anime series. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.